Welcome back to the Unqualified Experts, the podcast where we give advice that nobody asked for and certainly nobody should take seriously. I'm Jason, and as always I'm joined by my co-host, the man who once tried to microwave an entire frozen pizza in the box.
Hey, it said ready in 5 minutes and I was feeling ambitious, okay? I stand by my choices.
And your kitchen still smells like burning cardboard.
Details. Anyway, today's topic is life hacks that make life worse. You know, those tips you find on the internet that sound genius until you actually try them.
Oh yeah, like using toothpaste to fix scratches on your car, which just leaves you with a minty fresh disaster.
Or using a vacuum to cut your hair. Yeah, we're looking at you, Dad, from 1996.
Classic. Alright, let's jump into our first segment, Hack or Wack, where we test out some of these so-called life hacks, so you don't have to...
First up, we have the DIY instant noodles hack. Instead of boiling water, you just pour hot coffee into the cup. Because apparently caffeine and poor decisions go hand in hand.
I tried this yesterday. Let's just say my noodles were aggressively bitter and my stomach is still holding a grudge.
I mean, it's a bold choice. But speaking of food hacks, have you seen the grilled cheese with an iron trick?
Yeah, it's all fun and games until you realize your shirt now smells like burnt dairy for the next 3 weeks.
Not to mention, you can't explain to your landlord why there's melted cheddar in the carpet. Alright, next segment, listener submissions, real hacks gone wrong.
I saw online that you can make DIY ice packs by freezing a sponge in a Ziploc bag. Turns out when it melts, it just becomes a bag of sad, cold disappointment.
That sounds like the emotional summary of my last relationship.
Oof. Moving on. This one's from Kevin. I once tried using peanut butter as shaving cream. Thought it would moisturize my skin. Instead, I just smelled like a walking peanut butter sandwich for 2 days, and my dog wouldn't leave me alone.
Look, we all love a smooth face and a snack, but maybe not at the same time. Alright, time for our final segment, Genius or Menace, where we debate the weirdest life hacks we could find. Okay, hear me out. Using duct tape to remove blackheads.
Oh, so we're just casually ripping off our entire face now? Love that for us.
Who needs pores anyway? Alright, what about freezing your jeans instead of washing them?
Look, I support efficiency, but if your pants need to be stored next to the frozen peas, maybe it's time to just do laundry.
Fair point. And that's our show for today. If you have any ridiculous life hacks you've tried, or ones you want us to try for science, send them our way.
Don't forget to follow us, rate us 5 stars, and share this episode with your friends or enemies. We don't judge.
See you next time on the Unqualified Experts, where bad ideas come to life.